Hey guys, so of course those of you who follow me and keep up with everything know, but I dropped off my two-door about a week ago now to get the cage put in, and we took a little sneak peek last night at the welds and everything, and it looks so good. So I got a text, it's pretty much ready, we're gonna go check it out. I'm beyond excited for this, like 10 out of 10, stoked, like, so cool. So we're gonna go check it out, pay for it, and then probably bring it home later tonight, make room in the driveway. It's full of leaves now, because the Jeep was gone. But yeah, let's go. Please ignore the rubber bands in my mouth. I just had an Invisalign appointment a couple days ago, and they're like, oh, we gotta do rubber bands, and I'm like, whatever. So y'all got 6 months. I got 6 months. Y'all gotta deal with it for 6 months. I'm not excited either, trust me. But so that's what, like, if you're like, what's going on in your mouth, that's what it is. Say something, I dare ya. So cool. So basically this started out as a DNC prefab two-door cage, 6-point, and I'm tall, so like this was gonna be a concern for me, so I took it to Lock Automotive in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and Ernie welded it in and did an absolute amazing job and took into consideration I'm freaking tall, so there was a few things that he adjusted out and raised and bended a little certain different. So I'm beyond excited for this. Now I've got to paint it, get some pool noodles, because look at that, that's crazy. So one really cool thing that we were able to do is we were able to tie the cage into the Ironman shackle relocation boxes that we have, and so now we were able to incorporate the plate. So those 3 bolts, they're going to the shackle box, so that's giving it all this extra durability, stability. This thing's so stable, ignore the rest. But we tied all this in, and this hoop too is tied into the front of the leaves. Those 3 bolts are going up to the top, and then the main hoop's hooking basically right up here. So this is not a part of the prefab DNC cage, but this bar here, I told Ernie, I was like, because that bar wasn't there, and neither is the X in the DNC prefab, and I said, I kind of want to stand on the roof. Like, who doesn't want to be able to stand on the roof? Like, if you have a Cherokee, you know, that roof, like a tin can, you cannot stand on it. It will, like, bubble in, and that's just terrifying. So we added this bar, and I think that's so cool. It's so funky. Look at the bends he put in there. So cool. And the light, if it worked, I mean, it would work. Stoked.